All right, folks. Hi, Manny from Myotechnology here. Today I have Luke Rockhold, UFC superstar, MMA superstar. Luke, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us today. Luke, you've had a number of different therapies done here at Myotechnology, one of which is known as external counter pulsation therapy, ECP. What's been your experience with it?
ECP has been awesome for me. It's one of the best recovery tools I've ever had and experienced. I've been through hyperbaric chambers and all kinds of different ways. Of course, just trying to run off and get the lactic acid. Just trying to find any way to recover and heal and get that lactic acid out of your body. And this is by far the most effective I've had. It allows you just to rest. So I'm basically resting here. I'm not beating up my body. I don't have to go run and work out to get the lactic acid out of my body. I'm resting, and it's pushing blood throughout my whole body and at an extreme level. And I've never felt any kind of recovery like it. So it's been great for me. My last training camp worked wonders. I could recover and get back to training faster than ever, and it showed. I had a great performance, and I'm back on the program here. I mean, ECP is working for me, and I think it'll work for you.
Awesome. Now, Luke, as an elite athlete, one of the things that we really put a lot of emphasis on is resting heart rate. What does that mean to you, and how has ECP affected your resting heart rate?
Resting heart rate obviously shows what kind of shape you're in. Some people naturally have low heart rates, resting heart rates, and some people a little higher, of course, but the more cardio you do, the harder you work out, the better shape you're in. Naturally, your heart rate should lower. So the better you treat your body. I've noticed with this machine, it's helped me recover. It's helped me get into better shape. And I remember the first time we were using the machine, I was a little higher, and so I would work out and come back and hit the machine. And about the third or the fourth time, we started noticing my heart rate was dramatically lowering. Amongst my cardio and coming in here, and we were getting as low as I believe it's 32 beats per minute, and the machine wouldn't even react at times, and so it's not very natural to be that low. But I remember we'd have to start drinking coffee and getting chocolate just to get my heart rate up to have the machine work for us. I just on so many levels the machine has been great for me, and
That's awesome.
It's a miracle machine.
Thank you so much, Luke. I really appreciate your time. It's been an absolute honor and privilege to work with you and be part of your health and wellness team here at Myotechnology, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Check it out.
All right, cheers for now. Once again, Luke Rockhold on ECP at Myotechnology. Cheers, guys.